Remember the devastating 2004 Sumatra tsunami? It was a stark reminder of nature's power and our vulnerability. But what if we could build a future where such disasters don't have to be so catastrophic? Today, we're diving into the scientific blueprint for preventing Sumatra-like disasters, transforming our approach from reaction to proactive resilience. Get ready to explore how science can help us rebuild smarter, not just stronger.
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Saluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
The 2004 tsunami, triggered by a massive earthquake, caused widespread destruction and immense loss of life across 14 countries. It exposed critical weaknesses in our infrastructure and environmental management. Beyond the immediate impact, the disaster highlighted how deforestation and coastal degradation exacerbated the damage, stripping away natural buffers that could have lessened the blow. We learned that our past development practices often ignored ecological principles, leading to vulnerable communities and ecosystems. It was a harsh lesson in interconnectedness. But from these lessons, a new vision emerged, one where science guides our every step in disaster prevention and recovery. It's about working with nature, not against it. First up, watershed rehabilitation with native species. Imagine restoring river basins with plants that belong there, creating natural sponges that absorb excess water and prevent floods. This isn't just about planting trees, it's about recreating entire ecosystems that naturally regulate water flow and prevent soil erosion, making communities safer downstream. Next, a moratorium on sensitive areas. This means protecting critical zones like mangroves, coral reefs, and peatlands from development. Think of them as Earth's natural bodyguards. These ecosystems act as natural barriers, absorbing storm surges and tsunamis and providing vital habitats. Protecting them is a win-win for both nature and human safety. Then there's science-based spatial planning, or RW. This involves using geological and environmental data to decide where and how we build, ensuring development is safe and sustainable. It's like having a super smart urban planner who knows exactly where not to put that new shopping mall, avoiding fault lines or floodplains. Common sense, backed by science. Impact-based forecasting is another game changer. Instead of just predicting if a storm will hit, we predict what its impact will be on specific communities. This allows for targeted evacuations and resource deployment, saving lives and minimizing damage. It's like having a crystal ball, but powered by algorithms. We also need safe industrial roads. Often, these roads cut through sensitive ecosystems, creating pathways for disaster. Rerouting and reinforcing them is crucial. And then there's ANDAL reform, which is Indonesia's environmental impact assessment process. Making it more rigorous ensures that new projects don't inadvertently create future disaster zones. It's about asking the tough questions before we break ground, ensuring every development is a step towards resilience, not away from it. River ecosystem recovery focuses on bringing our rivers back to life. Healthy rivers mean less flooding, better water quality, and thriving biodiversity. Think of it as giving our rivers a spa day, complete with native plants and cleanup crews. They'll thank us by not overflowing their banks. Community risk management empowers local residents with the knowledge and tools to prepare for and respond to disasters. They're the first responders, after all. And finally, climate integration. All these efforts must consider the changing climate, adapting our strategies to face new and intensifying threats. Did you know that a single mature mangrove tree can absorb more carbon dioxide than a typical car emits in a year? Talk about a green superhero. It's a fun fact that underscores the incredible power of nature-based solutions in our fight against climate change and disaster prevention. By integrating these scientific blueprints, we're not just reacting to disasters, we're proactively building a safer, more resilient future for everyone. It's a journey that requires collaboration, innovation, and a deep respect for our planet. Let's work together to make Sumatra-like disaster a phrase from the past. Want to learn more about how you can contribute to disaster prevention and environmental resilience? Explore local initiatives and support science-driven policies in your area.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.